San Porta. Alex appeared for the light.
It's enough. I don't travel more. According to the book, I am in Madrid in 2009 and I have to find Porta, the famous singer.
Oh my God, I can remember the song.
Oh, Porta is in big trouble. I'm going to help him.
Sion. Fantastic, I can remember the song.
Oh, the last piece is in the microphone.
I remember the song, but the voice is bad. What can I do?
I have to get an idea to down and help Porta.
Alex went down of the scenario and give some streak of a voice. Thank you. Do you want something?
Yes. Do you give me your microphone?
Yes, of course.
Y siendo la moldi.